How to transfer funds from exchange to Ton wallet for Hamster Kombat Airdrop. Hey everyone! In this video tutorial, we're showing you how to transfer funds from exchange to Ton wallet for Hamster Kombat Airdrop. Whether you're on iPhone, iOS, or Android, this is crucial if you're planning to participate in the Hamster Airdrop or any other transaction on the Ton blockchain. So to transfer funds from exchange to Ton wallet for Hamster Kombat Airdrop. First, open the Tonkeeper app on your phone, then select Toncoin. Tap on Receive to generate your unique Toncoin address. You'll see a QR code and an alphabetic address. Tap Copy to copy the address, as you'll need it for the next step. Now let's head over to our exchange. I'm using Bybit for this example. Now let's switch to your Bybit app. Go to the Assets section. You can usually find it at the bottom right corner of your screen. Tap on Withdraw and search for Toncoin from the list of cryptocurrencies. Then select it. Paste the Toncoin address you copied from Tonkeeper into the address field. Double-check the address for accuracy. Select the Toncoin network. Fill in the withdrawal amount and any required memo. A quick note about Tonkeeper. It's a non-custodial wallet, meaning you have complete control over your funds. This is different from Bybit, which is a centralized exchange. Because of this, you usually don't need a memo for transfers. However, Bybit requires a memo field, so simply enter Note Required, without any spaces or special characters. Now input the amount of Toncoin you want to send. Remember, there's a transaction fee, so it's a good idea to start with a small amount to test the process. Once everything looks correct, hit the Withdraw button and confirm the transaction. You'll likely need to confirm the transaction with a 2FA code or other security measure. It might take a few minutes for the Toncoin to appear in your Tonkeeper wallet. This is normal, as the transaction needs to be confirmed on the Ton network. And this is how to transfer funds from exchange to Ton wallet. If you have any questions about Tonkeeper, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. I'll do my best to help. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel.